This is a 2009 Yamaha VStar 950. This is my wife's motorcycle. This makes a great first motorcycle, so I'm going to take it for a ride and show you a little bit about this bike. We're about to get out on the road here. Talk about comfort for a second. It's got a great rider triangle, very wide handlebars on this bike, like beach bars. Really nice. Super low seat height. I believe it's 26 inches. It's approachable for anyone, quite frankly. I'm almost 6'2", and it's fine. Maybe just a tad low, but you could be 5'2" and ride this bike, no problem. Get your feet down. Bike's a 950cc, so it has no problem on the highway. That's 55, super easy stuff. Brakes are really good, 2-piston fronts, single pot on the rear. Very smooth shifting. The engine's liquid cooled. Clutch is super light. Seat's quite comfortable, very laid back, typical cruiser type position. Mirrors are good. Just super easy, super easy. They're slightly, they called mid controls, but they're slightly forward, super comfortable. Feet are slightly in front of my knees. Bike has good pickup. Weighs about 600 pounds wet. I believe it's a 3.2 gallon fuel tank. You get somewhere around 52 miles per gallon. This particular bike only has 9,800 miles on it. This is a bike you can pick up for probably about $3,500, $4,000 in our area. Make a great first bike or second bike. It's big enough you may never have to upgrade. It's a 5-speed transmission. You know, it's a great looking bike, really classic look, especially with the white wall tires we'll take a look at in a second. At the same time, if you drop this bike or scratched it, you know, you wouldn't be devastated because you hadn't just bought a $20,000+ brand new motorcycle. So again, a good first or second bike for sure. But it's a strong motorcycle. It's not you know, it'll get the job done for sure. So let's take a look at it here in a second. We'll walk around, see what she looks like. Let's go ahead and let her run. Okay, here's how she looks from the front. Really sharp looking overall bike. Again, it's a 2009 Yamaha VStar 950. Love the white wall tires, just a classic look. The big headlight, the wide handlebars, just really clean look. Again, it's a belt drive, so no maintenance on a chain. That's fantastic. Let's take a look at the dash. It's nice and clear and simple. We've got trip A, trip B, and odometer on it. Very simple. Gear indicator, brights, low fuel, check engine, just everything you need. Take a look from the back. Single pot brakes on the back, dual pot brakes on the front. Nice sounding exhaust. Let's hear the exhaust a little more. A little raspy. Nice floorboards on it. Big pedal for the rear brakes. It's a good looking bike.